Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are okay and happy. So today's video is all about reviewing Good Vibes face wash. I mean 5 types of Good Vibes face wash. So if you are following me from past few months, you know that I am using Good Vibes product. I will be sharing my own thoughts on their 5 types of face wash. So you can choose what kind of face wash you really need if you want to try out some face wash from their range. And I will also share my most favorite face wash from that 5 face wash, and I will also share my least favorite. So if you are interested and you want to know all about it, then please keep on watching. So first of all, let's start with that face wash which I am using currently, and this is Good Vibes Nourishing Coffee Face Wash. The coffee face wash will clean your face and remove all the dirt and make your skin more radiant and give it a elasticity. And also it has coffee because it's a coffee face wash, so it will also detoxify your skin. But what I like the most about this face wash is that it will also increase your blood circulation, which help you to improve your skin texture and provide you an in-depth moisturization and give you an uneven skin tone. The smell of this face wash is exactly like a coffee, so if you are a coffee lover like me, you are going to love this face wash. The next face wash is the rosemary face wash. It will also help you to clean the dirt and impurities from your skin, give your skin a radiance and also even out your skin tone. So if you have dark spots, acne, dry, damaged skin and you need some nourishment, you need to repair your damaged skin, and also if you are dealing with dull complexion, then go for the rosemary face wash. But I don't like the smell of this face wash. I don't know, it has a besan like smell. It feels like somebody mixed besan and menthol together. So one problem is that I don't like the smell of that rosemary face wash. But it's really give you a cooling effect, and it's actually a summer appropriate face wash, and it will just refresh your skin, it will boost up your mood, and it has also a cooling effect. So if it's a summer, you are going to love this face wash, but I don't like the smell. So yes, the next face wash which I am going to talk about is the pomegranate face wash. It slogs off the excess oil, dirt, impurities from your skin, and it will also instantly revive your dull and tired skin, and it will give you an instant glow. The pomegranate face wash is rich in antioxidant, so it will help you to fight your signs of aging like fine lines, wrinkles, and it will also help you to fight dark spots, acne, and also provide you a nourishment, give your skin a radiance, and yes, it also even out your skin tone. And yes, this face wash is also all skin type, so if you have dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, or normal skin, you can go for the pomegranate face wash. The next face wash is the papaya face wash. So the papaya face wash help you to detoxify your skin, it will clean your skin on a deep level, and it will also provide a nourishment. Papaya face wash provide you a deep cleaning, but still it will also give your face a soft and smooth effect. Your face won't feel that much dry even if it is providing you a deep clean, and it will also help you to maintain your skin elasticity, and also papaya help you to blemish all the scar on your face like the dark spots or acne marks. Yes, it will also help you to fade them. The last face wash is the mulberry face wash. Mulberry face wash will remove all the impurities from your skin, and mulberry also help you to even out your skin tone. It also fade out your blemish like acne marks or the dark spot, and mulberry also help you to fight the signs of aging like the fine lines, wrinkle. But beside that, it will also help you to repair your skin damage and also make your skin more soft, supple, and give it a glow. So that's it guys, these are my review on those 5 face wash. Now let's talk about which one is my most favorite, which one is my least favorite. I mean, just list it down. So my favorite face wash among those 5 is the pomegranate one, because I have dry skin. I always love those products which will not, I always love those face wash which will not make my skin dry. फेस वॉश से थोड़ा सा ड्राई तो होता है, बट फिर भी ऐसा भी फेस वॉश होता है जिससे तुम्हारा स्किन बिल्कुल भी उतना ज़्यादा ड्राई नहीं होगा. So pomegranate is that one, so that's why pomegranate face wash is my favorite, and it will also give your skin an instant glow. And also day by day when you are using it, you will see some changes in your face. It will give you a glow, it will make your skin more radiant. So that's why pomegranate is my favorite face wash among these 5. The second face wash is mulberry face wash. Okay, I feel like pomegranate and mulberry has the same features. It also works on the same way. Pomegranate also give you a glow, mulberry also give you a glow, but the thing is mulberry face wash makes my skin little bit dry. It's not like ड्राई हो जाता है ऐसा कुछ, बट द थिंग इज फेस वॉश से जितना ज़्यादा होता है वैसा ही कुछ होता है, बट पोमेग्रेनेट से वो नहीं होता है. सो दैट्स वाई मलबेरी इज माई सेकेंड पिक. Third face wash is the papaya face wash, because first of all I like the smell. I like the smell a lot. It has a fruity smell. I don't like fruity smell, but I like the smell of this face wash. The smell is really very nice. So that's why this is my third pick. And my fourth pick is that coffee face wash, because it has coffee, so it makes my skin little bit dry after washing, but papaya won't give you that dryness. The dryness is okay, but again, I like those face wash more which don't make my skin that much dry. So yes, on the basis of that I am choosing papaya on the third and coffee on the fourth. And my least favorite among these 5 face wash is that rosemary face wash, because first of all I don't like the smell. Yes, I don't like the smell at all. It's not, it has a bad smell, but I don't like that smell. And the second reason is that it's a refreshing face wash, so obviously it has a cooling and soothing effect which you will love on the summer days. But the thing is, I don't like refreshing face wash that much, because I feel like refreshing face wash only give you a soothing and cooling effect, but beside that it don't do anything. So that's why I don't like that face wash that much. But fun fact is that face wash is my mom's favorite. So different person, different choice, different opinion. So if you really like refreshing face wash, then you can go for it, but it's my least favorite. But yes, I also love that face wash. That's it guys, that was my today's video. I hope you guys really liked it. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below what other videos you want me to do, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and yes, tata.